Bali. We've just finished a 2-week coach training program. That's why I have this headdress on as part of the closing ceremony. I've been writing and doing video about my 3-month Asia Pacific journey, and part of that is one of the things I love is learning about other cultures. And we had 23 Russian-speaking participants at this coach training program, and one is Natalie. So Natalie, please introduce yourself.
Hello everybody, my name is Natalia Dubnyak. I'm Ukrainian, although I'm Russian-speaking, and it was my pleasure to be at this program. I have 20 years of business executive international experience.
Including in Kansas City.
Including in Kansas City, attention envelope,
yeah.
Yes. And at a certain point in my career, I was kind of told by my colleagues that I'm more like a teacher, and that resonated with me very much. And at that point, it was a seed that was planted, and at that time I understood that this is the way I should develop myself, and this is the way I should go. And that's how my coaching journey started.
Yeah, so she's just shared her coaching journey, and then we want to find out about Russia's journey, Ukraine's journey, why the Soviet countries, the former Soviet countries are ripe, they're ready for development, which is what we provide as coaches.
Absolutely, Marilyn, I like the word ripe, because I think this is exactly the word that fits the situation. Because I see Russia as a strong woman who used to take care of her children outside. And I think it's now time for the Russian people to look inside and to take care of themselves. And that applies very much to the business world as well, because executives, they feel that result orientation is not enough anymore, because people develop and they want to be part of the organization on a more awareness level, let's say, and that's where executives go. And I think that coaching in business world is very relevant as well.
Yes, so it's going to be developing and investing in the people,
yes,
which will benefit the organization.
Absolutely.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you, Marilyn.
Yes,
nice to meet you here.
You too.
Enjoy your journey.
Thank you. Your journey as well.
Thank you.